Metricool is a tool that helps you analyze, manage, and grow your digital presence by providing insights into your social media, advertising, and web analytics. In this video, I will tell you about Metricool's affiliate program and how much you can earn if you become their affiliate. I've included the link to try Metricool in the description so you can check it out. Stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you how much money I made as an affiliate for a different software company with just a few short videos on this channel, many of which didn't even get 10 views. And if you're serious about affiliate marketing and you want to turn this into a business that could replace your job, I'm going to tell you the best way to learn affiliate marketing as a beginner at the end of the video. Now let's talk about Metricool's affiliate program. So on their website, as you can see, the way this works is you have to sign up to their affiliate program, and if they approve you, you get an affiliate link, and you can share this affiliate link on your social media or anywhere else. And if someone clicks it and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Now, they actually pay a very generous 50% commission on their user spending, but it is capped at $50 per user. So if you look at their pricing, for example, then the cap wouldn't really affect you unless they're on the enterprise, because if someone is on the advanced plan, they're paying $45 a month, you get 50% of that. It's like $22.50, which is still under the $50 threshold. So the only time when you won't make 50% commission is if they sign up to enterprise, because 50% of 139 is like almost $70. And so because they cap it at 50, then you would earn $50 a month commission from this. But 50% is still very generous, and most people will go with starter or advanced. And they also offer a free plan where it's $0 for life. You get a bunch of stuff here. So if they upgrade, then you start earning commissions. Now, because recurring commission every single month, if one person signs up and, if someone signs up to the advanced plan, you'll earn $22.50 every single month for as long as they stay subscribed. So if they stay subscribed for like 5 years, that can be a lot of money. Now, let me show you how much I made as an affiliate from a different affiliate program with very few views. So here's my dashboard for ScaleNut, which is a content creation platform that uses AI to help people with their SEO so that you can get found in search results. As you can see, with just 11 clicks on my affiliate link, I got one person to sign up to ScaleNut, and this one sign up has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now this says unpaid earnings because they had a minimum threshold of $50, which it didn't meet last month. So in this payment cycle, this money will actually get released to me. Now, $89 might now sound like a lot of money until you look at the videos on my channel that actually led to this result. These are some of the videos that I posted on my channel: Show Me Software, ScaleNut versus Jasper, only 15 views, 24 views, 10 views, 2 views, right? 3 views, 7 views. So I have like about 10 or so videos about ScaleNut posted, and mostly they're very short videos, like 2-minute videos, and they have very, very few views, and that has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now the person who signed up, as long as they stay subscribed to ScaleNut's subscription plan, every single month I'm going to earn about $45. So this number is going to continue to go up most likely. Now imagine scaling this strategy up and having dozens or even hundreds of super short videos on your channel, each with an affiliate link. You can stack your monthly commissions and start making life-changing income way faster than most people realize. Now the problem is that most people don't understand the strategies to actually have a successful affiliate marketing business, because you can't just spam random content and throw your affiliate link around everywhere if you want to make serious money. I would recommend trying out Wealthy Affiliate, which is one of the oldest and most trusted affiliate marketing education platforms in the world. So as you can see on their website, they've been around for almost 20 years with over 2.6 million people who signed up for their training. And the best part is that you can actually get started completely for free with no credit card required. So if I log into my dashboard here on Wealthy Affiliate, you can see that they have lots of classes. You can learn about YouTube and copywriting and affiliate marketing through social media and email marketing. So you really learn how to make money with affiliate marketing on Wealthy Affiliate, and it's an absolutely amazing platform. So you can use the link in the description to get started with Wealthy Affiliate completely for free. And if you want to try out ScaleNut, then I also included the link in the description for that. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comment section, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.